XRP just hit a make-or-break moment that could change everything in the next few days. Let's break it down. Here's where we are right now. XRP is trading at $1.19, down about 2.7% in the last 24 hours. Now, I know that doesn't sound exciting, but here's the thing. Sometimes the most boring moments set up the biggest moves. We're sitting right at this critical inflection point, and, well, the next few days could be really interesting for XRP holders. Here's why this number matters so much right now. You know what I've noticed? The RSI is sitting pretty at 48. That's right, in neutral territory, which means there's plenty of room to run higher. The MACD is actually showing some early signs of momentum shifting upward, even though the price looks sleepy. But here's the key thing. We're trading right near the middle of these Bollinger Bands, and when that happens after a big move down, it usually means something's brewing. So what moved the market today? President Trump just endorsed the Fed's decision to keep rates steady, but he also warned about possible future rate hikes. Now, this is interesting because XRP has this negative correlation with the dollar. When the dollar gets stronger, XRP tends to struggle. It's like they're playing tug of war. And right now, the dollar might be getting ready to flex its muscles. On the regulatory front, things are getting a bit spicy in Europe. The ECB president just pressured Greece to reject Binance's license application, and the Dutch authorities slapped a big penalty on Polymarket. If this trend continues, here's what happens. European crypto businesses might have to look elsewhere, and that could actually benefit more compliant projects like XRP in the long run. The mood right now is, well, pretty scary actually. The Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 22, which screams extreme fear. You know what I've learned over the years? When everyone's terrified, that's often when the best opportunities show up. It's like my grandma used to say, buy when there's blood in the streets, even if some of it's your own. The big players are doing something interesting though. While all the XRP ETFs saw about $23 million flow out, the whales holding over 1 million XRP just accumulated another 1.53 billion tokens over 6 months. That's a lot of accumulation while everyone else is panicking. These big players usually know something we don't they? In plain English, we're at this stage where the technical patterns are setting up for something big. There's this falling wedge pattern forming on the charts. Think of it like a spring getting compressed tighter and tighter. We're also in what's called a Wyckoff markdown phase, which basically means we're in the final shakeout before smart money starts buying again. So what does the AI think? Well, this is where it gets really exciting. The short-term prediction shows $1.57 with about 60% confidence. That's a nice 32% upside. But here's where my eyebrows really went up. The 7-day prediction is calling for $2.02 with 98.7% confidence. Wait, that's nearly a 70% move up. The 30-day target is more conservative at $1.38, but honestly, if we hit that $2 level first, I'll take it. But here's what could go wrong. Those potential Fed rate hikes could really squeeze crypto markets. And this European regulatory crackdown might spread beyond just a few exchanges. The ETF outflows show institutions are still nervous, and when the big money gets scared, retail usually follows. Here's my take. And remember, I'm just someone looking at AI data and charts, not a financial advisor. I'm saying hold and wait for now. Here's the thing. We need to see XRP break above $1.30 first. That's our green light. If we get that breakout, then I'd consider buying with a stop loss at $1.10. First target would be $1.55. And if this AI prediction is right, we could see $2. The risk reward here is actually pretty attractive once we get confirmation. That's it for today. If this analysis helped you understand what's happening with XRP, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. The next few days could be really exciting, so I'll see you in the next update. Take care!